Hi, I'm here today to talk about Senco's line of cordless pneumatic finish tools. Senco's line of cordless pneumatic finish tools are powered with revolutionary fusion technology that combines the speed, feel, and power of a traditional pneumatic tool with the convenience of a cordless tool. So let's see how the fusion technology works. The permanently sealed air cylinder contains compressed air. As the trigger is pulled, a solenoid is released and the compressed air forces the piston and driver blade down, ultimately firing the fastener. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery then powers the motor, which returns the piston and driver to its upright and ready fire position. So what makes fusion technology different than other cordless nailers on the market? First, fusion eliminates the need for expensive fuel cells and the fumes and cleaning costs associated with those types of tools. It also eliminates delays in ramp-up time often associated with battery-powered nailers. So with fusion, there's no mess, no cost of fuel cells, and you get an instant shot. Senco offers 4 models of the fusion tool. First, the F15. This fires 15 gauge fasteners in lengths from 1.25 inches up through 2.5 inches long. Next is the F16S. This fires 16 gauge straight fasteners in lengths from 3/4 inches up through 2.5 inches long. After that, we have the F16A, which fires 16 gauge angled fasteners from lengths from 1.25 inches up through 2.5 inches long. Lastly, we have the F18, which fires 18 gauge brads from 5/8 inches up through 2.125 inches in length. Let's take a look at some of the features the fusion tools have. First, again, is the permanently sealed air cylinder that contains the driver, blade, and piston. This will always maintain a constant pressure, so it acts like a traditional pneumatic. This eliminates the need for a compressor and air hose, and also, again, the expense of fuel cells and cleaning costs associated with that. Next, we have the 18-volt lithium-ion battery. This will give you about 500 shots per charge. It'll charge 80% in about 15 minutes, and it comes with a built-in fuel gauge, so the operator can press the button to see exactly how much battery life he has left. Next, we'll go up top and take a look at the LED light. There's a mounted LED light here, so when the trigger is pulled, it illuminates, comes in handy in dark work areas. Just below that, you'll notice the depth of drive gauge. Here's the thumb wheel adjuster, so you can easily and precisely set the depth of your fastener. All fusion tools are equipped with a dry fire lockout mechanism. This prevents unintentional dry fires, which ultimately protects the work surface. Next, you'll see a belt hook. This is removable to be moved to the other side, adjustable for certain widths, for your pocket, for rafter beams, etc. Lastly, the tools are equipped with a selectable firing mode option. Selection of sequential fire or bump fire. The choice is yours. So now that we see how the tools work, what features they have, let's give them a shot and see how they do. So here I've got the F18 model. I'm going to load up some 18 gauge brads in the magazine here. Ensure it's closed. Select your firing mode. I'm going to operate in sequential mode for this demonstration. So I'm going to flip the switch all the way down. To fire, simply depress the safety against the work surface and pull the trigger. Adjust the depth of drive accordingly, and you're all set. Okay, let's try it in bump fire mode now. Again, the selector switch is in sequential mode now. I'm going to flip that all the way back to bump fire mode. Now all I have to do is depress the trigger and push the safety element against the work surface to actuate the tool. Fusion tools are ideal for crown moldings, window and door jambs, chair rails, baseboards, and really any finish and trim application. Fusion technology is ideal for anyone looking for the power of pneumatics with the convenience of cordless.